In this video, I'm going to show you how MatchV looks in visual analytics and focus on how you can compare individuals to each other and understand how one individual, what drives them and motivates them. In this video, I'm going to focus on MatchV, but mainly focus on a specific individual to get an understanding what drives this person and sort of what motivates this person. So in this case, I've chosen Timon Pumba, and I've looked at Timon Pumba's results on the MatchV score, and it's quite a strong sort of lean towards certain ends. And you can see here that Timon Pumba seems to be a person that's very much towards the strategic part, innovative, curious, open-minded, probably likes to do new things, likes to innovate and sort of, do stuff differently. That's something that really motivates and drives Timon Pumba. So if we were to put Timon Pumba in a very sort of more operative and maybe more conservative organization, he would probably not thrive as much. He would, working in an organization which is more like, you should do it this way, you should sort of, it's a specific way of doing it, and there's the laws and this is how we follow them. Timon Pumba would probably not enjoy that as much. And same at looking at what's really interesting here is the enabling versus driving, where we see, both parts showing through. It seems that Timon Pumba is quite prestigious. He likes to be someone who, he likes to be in the spotlight. So it's not the most modest. You can see that because the score is much lower and very strong towards the prestigious end. And this sort of wheel that we created helps you understand what drives and motivates an individual, and could help you make more informed decision about what type of incentives maybe we should push towards Timon. What team should he work in, and what type of stuff should we provide him with to make him thrive and feel happy at work. And that can be very different looking at someone else. We take Rapunzel, for instance. You have a very different view. Maybe they're working in the same organization, different teams, but the same organization. But Rapunzel is going to be very different in the way that she, what she thinks is important and what motivates her. She's more in the collaborative, working together with people, a relaxed atmosphere, and she wants maybe more structure and getting, it should be a certain way, and I want to know how things are done. A more certain type of environment. So Timon Pumba and Rapunzel are going to have very different needs, and this tool provides you with information to make an understanding or understand how your team and your co-workers are motivated by.